Jump in with your face!
Jump in with my bag.
Jump in with Dynamuta and do it.
Do you tape already?
No.
Okay, good.
Maybe.
Because they'll be mean to my mom. My gloves are frozen. They're frozen.
Nice.
I'm serious. Look.
Lieb dich, Bianca.
Do you tape?
No, maybe yes.
Okay. Can I jump?
Go!
Really? Go closer.
On to get your whole body. Okay, there.
This.
Huh?
This way. And if you
This way?
tape, yeah.
Okay, go.
Tape already?
I'm still recording.
Oh.
It's been
hi.
taping.
Snow.
Go.
Okay. It's not bad. Soft. Should I push my head in there?
Do it.
Yes. Holy butthole.
Look at my feet, man.
Yeah, wait. Oh, I'm sweating so. Let me.
Get up.
Okay, jump in there and you can see how deep it is.
Jump, jump, jump. Your feet aren't even touching the ground. Go, jump.
Whoa!
Hey.
Can you see that?
Yeah. It's kind of deep. Oh, wait. I'm getting up higher in the snow. Oh, I failed.
Oh my goodness!
Don't fall.
Oh, my forehead is cold. What's that?
Oh my god, your hair is frozen.
Warm?
It smells bad. You look good.
Photo?
Photo.